viral interference. Some of the time there are then some of the virus replication is interfered by any other virus, or two of the viruses are attacking the same host, then their replication and their growth is interfered by some of them. Sometimes experimentally we are going to produce some interference, then we can see that this phenomena happens in most of the time inside the host cell. Just like the principle by infecting the cell with a virus followed by the second attack by the any other virus or by the same virus. This we have demonstrated in vivo, and this is also has been demonstrated in vitro in the laboratories, and we have also seen in the normal cells that when the phenomena of the interference can happen, maybe because of the attack of the two different viruses, because maybe they are using the same host machinery, so therefore the replication of the viruses can be interfered by one of them. Demonstrated when the second virus failed to replicate or is inhibited because of any reason, then it is called the virus interference. It may be because of the interferon which are already present inside the normal cells, and which are maybe sometimes they are produced at the time of the infection by the immune response of the normal cell of the host. Just like this, the groups, the interference mediated by virus induced cellular proteins which are called interferon, and sometimes this is not mediated by the interferons, but the interference that is not interferon mediated. There is two types of interference, the viral interference. One is on the presence of the interferon, on the basis of they are classified on the basis of the interferon. What is interferon mediated, and one is non-mediated by interferon. Interferon, what are the interferons? Actually, the interferons are just the protein molecules where size is about 20,000 molecular weight, and they are produced by the cells in response to infection. Actually, the interferons are not specific to the viruses. Interferons can be produced inside the body of the host in response to any infection. Whenever there is the infection against any bacteria or the parasites or the viruses, then the interferons are produced, just like there are the interleukins and interferons, and there are also such kind of the molecules which are produced in response to the infection inside the body, and they are just like the host defense system, and they defend the host against any kind of the foreign invaders. Interferons producing information resides in the host cell genome. What are the interferons? Just like you can see in the picture, they are non-virus specific. Of course, they are not only specificity produced against any virus, or they are not produced against only the viruses, just the part of the host defense system, and they are produced against any kind of the infection. For example, the chicken fibroblast cell interferon is inactive in mouse cells but inhibitory for viruses grown in the chicken fibroblast cell cultures. Similarly, as far as the chicken coccidiosis, there is one more example of the chicken coccidiosis in which the interferon gamma are very important, and they are produced in the humoral immune system, in the immune system of the body, and they are produced in the response to the infection against the parasites. Interferons block the translation of viral genome in the early stages. Of course, as the name indicates, interference, so they will block the viral genome in the early stages, just in the beginning, and the basic mechanism, however, still unknown, that how they are going to block it. Similarly, we are using most of the interferons against the viral diseases or viral infections. We are going to use some interferon, just like the very famous example is about the hepatitis. Against the hepatitis, the disease until now, the drug until now available, we are using the interferons.